Now I know you're 12 years older than me, so that makes you 74 as we're recording this, right?
Yes, that's true.
So let me just kind of conclude with this. As a 74-year-old, I mean, you're now in the last quarter of your life. What are
Yes.
some of your thoughts? Like, if you had to look back, are there things that you would do differently? Do you ever think about, I want to have the right mindset as I prepare for death? Do you contemplate on death? What are your thoughts about it?
Well, it's so uncertain, Mike. I don't think it's very helpful to contemplate about preparing for it. I want to try to do the best I can to maintain good health and stamina. I have projects that I am engaged in that I want to do all I can to finish. It's been said, I think rightly, blessed is the man who dies with unfulfilled dreams, because that means you were dreaming right up till the end. You were pursuing a vision right to the end, and that's the way I want to be. Um, and so I'm just very engaged in the activity of the ministry to which God has called me and Jan, and trying to be as effective as we can. And I don't know how that will end. As you say, none of us is exempt from illness or accident, or congenital disease. So I think it's just not worth worrying about. Be focused on the presence and doing the will of the Lord right now, and let the future take care of itself.